Tired of that bulky wallet? Let's ditch it and add GCash to your Apple Pay for seamless, convenient payments. First, locate the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's the one with the white card icon and likely located on your home screen. Open the Wallet app and look for the Add button. It's usually in the top right corner and represented by a plus sign. Tap it. You'll be presented with options to add different types of cards. Choose debit or credit card. This is how we'll integrate GCash. Your iPhone will now prompt you to scan your card. However, since we are adding GCash, select the Enter Card Details manually option usually located at the bottom of the screen. Now, carefully enter your GCash Mastercard details. Start with the name exactly as it appears on your GCash Mastercard, followed by your 16-digit card number. Next, enter the expiration date and the 3-digit security code, also known as the CVV, which can be found on the back of your GCash Mastercard. After filling in all card information, review the terms and conditions, then tap Agree if you accept. Your bank will now verify your card details. This process might take a few moments, so please be patient. You will then be asked for verification. Choose the GCash option so that you can receive message through GCash app. Copy the verification code from the GCash app and enter it to the next prompt. Congratulations! Your GCash Mastercard is now successfully added to Apple Pay. You can now use your iPhone for contactless payments wherever Apple Pay is accepted. Enjoy the convenience of paying with your iPhone using GCash. Like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.